Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks, where we dive into the latest tools transforming the way we approach programming and development. Today we're talking about the codesys SDK, a Python SDK that streamlines interaction with Claude CLI tool. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, there's something for everyone here. All right, let's kick things off. You might be wondering, what exactly is the codesys SDK? Well, it's essentially a bridge that allows you to use Python to communicate with the Claude CLI tool. And let's not forget, you need to have Python 3.8 or newer installed and the Claude CLI set up with your API key to use it. Now, this SDK shines in its simplicity. Imagine you're planning a task. You can map this out with Claude's assistance in just a few steps. For example, you set up your working environment with a command like this: agent equals working dir equals / path / your directory. This command initializes your agent and prepares it for the tasks at hand. Simple, right? And I love how practical it is. The creator mentions firsthand how they integrate this into their workflow. It's all about mimicking actual tasks with Claude code, making the process feel organic. They share how the flow is: plan, explore the code base, implement. Isn't that a straightforward and effective approach to tackling coding projects? Now, digs deeper into the functionality. Let's look at generating a plan. You can use a function like generate plan, working dir, user message to create a structured outline based on the specific task. You feed it a prompt, and voila, you receive a plan that you can follow. It's like having a personal project manager but in code form. And what happens after you've got your plan set? You implement it with just a call to execute plan, working dir. Doesn't that feel like a superpower? You're essentially letting a tool streamline the more tedious parts of coding, leaving you to focus on creativity and problem solving. Speaking of which, how many of you out there have juggled multiple projects and felt overwhelmed? This kind of tool can just take a load off your shoulders. To make the discussion richer for our listeners, let's touch on how you might customize the tools available during your runs. Yes, the flexibility is fantastic. You can limit your agent to only the tools you need. For instance, if you're only interested in editing and writing, you can initialize it with just those. This specificity can help maintain focus and reduce distractions from unnecessary tools. Now I'm curious, have any of you experimented with AI in your coding practices? How did it go? If you've had any successes or struggles, I'd love to hear about it. And to wrap up our episode, let's take a moment to summarize what we've explored today. We discussed how the codesys SDK acts as a powerful ally for developers with its Python interface for Claude. From generating structured plans to executing them seamlessly, it can truly transform your productivity. The ability to customize which tools to use adds a personal touch to your workflow too. So as you move forward, consider how these tools can integrate into your projects. Could there be a task you've been dreading that could be simplified with a little help? Until next time, keep innovating and using technology to enhance your coding experience.